Guys, I am Sajatana. Welcome to Sai Tegur. In this video, I'm going to do a battery test on the Redmi K20 Pro, guys. So now I'm gonna switch the SIMs between the Realme X. So previously I was using the Realme X, guys, quite some time. So now I'll be switching the SIM from 4G SIM from Realme X to Redmi K20 Pro today. So we'll get to know the how is the battery backup life in the Redmi K20 Pro, guys. So previously I did a gaming test on the Redmi K20 Pro, guys, while playing the PUBG at IS settings using connecting the Wi-Fi. So if you haven't watched the video, I'll suggest you to watch the video, guys. So let me change the SIM right now. So I'm getting around in the Realme X about close to 6 hours of screen on time, guys, but we cannot see the exact screen on time in the Realme X, and the color OS doesn't allow us to see the screen on time. So in the Redmi K20 Pro we can see the exact screen on time how much we are getting, guys. So this is the usage with the 4G usage. So today all day I'll be using the 4G SIM with the 4G internet, guys. So right now the battery is of 100% as you can see here, and time is around 7:28 early morning. So I'll be back again after 12 hours, guys, after using this phone with the 4G internet. So we'll get a clear idea how is the battery backup of this Redmi K20 Pro, guys. So as you can see, guys, right now the battery percentage is of 50%. So let me show you the screen on time what I got in this mobile right now. So throughout this usage I've been using the 4G, guys. So here is the screen on time is around 5 hours. So 5 hours is quite impressive, guys, considering this phone processor. So the Snapdragon 855 is a battery efficient processor, guys. So overall I got around 5 hours. So these with the continuous 4G on from the morning to till now. So even I'll be doing a battery drain test in the future, guys. So subscribe to my channel, guys.